Good morning. I wasn't planning on vlogging today, but I'm going to. I have to leave right this second to go to class, but I wanted to say hi before I go and say hi to Nude. So I'll see you when I get back from class. Yesterday it was like 50 degrees and now it's like 20. I left my bike up on campus yesterday, so I biked it home today and I didn't have gloves and my hands are completely numb. I'm just trying to warm up. Nude's here. Okay. And I'm waiting for Alex and Caitlin to get home because we're gonna make pancakes for lunch. Woo! And last night I booked my flight to New York City. So we're going in 2 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks from tomorrow. 3 weeks from tomorrow. We're going to New York City. And by we, I mean me and you guys. Because you'll come with me. I'm back from class and it is so cold outside. I'm going to go to my mom's office and pick up Compass because my mom is going out to dinner with her friends and doesn't want to take the dog. And then so I'll take him home back to my parents' house. And then I'll either go to a yoga class down there or go to the gym because my brother has a whole bunch of, I'm gonna spill this jelly. What was I saying? Or go to the gym. We have guest passes for the gym my family goes to. And finish one last homework problem for my discrete math class. And then I'll probably come back here, not too late. This piece of hair never curls. Look at it. It's so straight. And the rest of my hair does whatever it wants, but then this piece, isn't that so annoying? It's annoying to me.
You gone.
Hey.
You gone.
Compass. Oh, bye.
Hide it.
Compass. 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 Come.
Mom?
No. It's now 10 o'clock. And I didn't vlog much today. But, oh well. That is just what happens. So I will talk to you guys in my next vlog. Goodbye.